back to Captain Fitness Seekers. Now today we'll be doing our part 1 of a 3-part series for our Tabata workouts. Now today we'll be doing our beginning series, but we'll be soon releasing the intermediate and advanced. Now for Tabata, it consists of you working out for 20 seconds and then breaking for 10 and then continue that whole cycle for 8 rounds. Now during the time that you're working out, you need to push yourself as hard as you can, take those breaks, and then get back on it. This entire workout will only take you 4 minutes, but it's 4 minutes you gotta push yourself as hard as you can. So before you start working out with us, make sure you stretch, drink your water, and get ready to get motivated. Let's go. This is our Tabata workout for beginners. All right, guys, let's get ready. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Get those knees up. Alright guys, halfway through, halfway up. You ready for it? Let's go.
Content's hot. You got to give me all you got. Caution, content's hot. You got to give me all you got. Caution.
Great job, guys. All right, guys. Great workout. 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes, that's all it takes. Sweat built up already. So, listen, this is our beginner workout for Tabata. So, make sure you stay tuned. Part 2 and 3 are coming out soon. Make sure you stretch, cool down a little bit, drink the water. This Captain Fitness Seekers out.